Hi everyone, today we have this platform called AI ML API, and this is the best open API with 200 AI models. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and rewards onto this platform. So make sure to check that out. Now, talking about the platform, for the developers and coders all there who are working out there, APIs are extremely important to integrate various different features onto their platform. So you can see the models offered by these platforms are GPT-4o, which is the latest and greatest one. It even have GPT-4, GPT-3.5. So let's say you are trying to create a website and you want to integrate a chatbot system, and it is paid and have different payment plans. So according to different plans, you can integrate different models. So of course 3.5 is going to be the cheaper one, 4.0 is going to be the latest and the most expensive one onto your platform. So you can do anything like that. The creativity could be endless. Now if you scroll a little bit down, you can see some more of its features, like for example 200 plus AI models, 3x faster performance, 99% uptime, and also 24/7 support. So really great. Now you can see the models Luma and Large do as well. So they have Llama 3 as well, and much more, like for example GPT-4o as discussed already. So you can see how it is going to be working. You can also copy different type of codes and integrations from the site. Now for some reason, let's say you are still unsure about the platform, let me demonstrate you some feedbacks and reviews about the site. You can see people are really loving it. So if you scroll a little bit down, you can get in-depth reviews about it, like for example nice alternative to Hugging Face, more value while saving costs, and much more. So an amazing platform indeed. Make sure to give it a try using the link in the description, and you can also get extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and rewards.